lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in our eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team and welcome. So today let's prepare some fluffy omelets as breakfast. You know it's very necessary we enjoy hearty and healthy breakfast to boost our energy for the day. So you know what, let's get started. So these are my basic ingredients. I'm going to list all in the description box so you can check it out. I have some fresh eggs here, 10 of them. I have some veggies, my bell peppers, onions. I also have some sausages and some scallion, neatly washed. I have my heavy cream, which is optional. I have some salt to taste and my all-purpose seasoning from Tasty and Fresh. So I begin by prepping all my veggies. That's finely chopping all of them because I don't want too much chunk in my omelets. So let's go. So now I begin by assembling all my ingredients. So that's my eggs. After cracking, I add my veggies one after the other. But in the interim, I'll just whisk this and then add a little salt to taste. So I give it a first, that's the second whisk after adding the veggies. Now I add my whipped cream. That's where the fluffiness comes from. But it's optional. So this is half teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning. And just look at that. So now we are ready. So straight to the fire. Yes, so I added a little oil, and then we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes on a very low heat. And just look at that. After 20 minutes, this is what we have here. And due to the cream is going to caramelize a bit, which is okay. So allow it to simmer for extra 5 minutes. And just look at that. Oh my goodness. Soft, thick, heavy, beautiful, colorful, mouth-watering, finger-licking goodness. Yes, you know, we need to enjoy breakfast like the queen or the king we are. Yeah, so we can see I am serving part of the omelette, and then I also make some toasted bread so that we can enjoy all together. So friends and family, you are invited. Why don't you come? Let's enjoy some hearty breakfast. Yes. Just look at that. So I garnish it a bit, which is optional. So here we are. This is our toasted bread. Yeah, egg sandwich, and then we also have the omelette here. So just choose the one that you want. Yeah, so why don't you try this at home, and the family, they are gonna enjoy it. Okay, so please, if you like this video, just give your girl a thumbs up, comment and subscribe for more videos. So you can see I am complementing mine with some mango juice. Yes, so please enjoy this recipe till we meet in our next video. See you soon. Bye bye.